You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to loop a video two different ways in CapCut. For the first method, open your project and ensure your video clip is on the timeline. Tap on the clip to select it, then look at the bottom toolbar and swipe until you find the copy option, which looks like two overlapping squares. Tap copy. Then immediately tap paste right next to it. This creates a duplicate of your clip right after the original. Keep tapping paste to add as many copies as you want, creating a seamless manual loop. For the second, more precise method, first tap the clip on your timeline. In the editing menu that appears at the bottom, find and select Style, then choose Loop. This will open a new screen with a motion loop toggle. Turn this toggle on. You can then use the sliders to choose a specific segment of your video to loop, making it perfect for short, repeating actions or GIFs. Preview your sequence to ensure the loop is smooth. Use the first method for full clip repetition and the second for creating seamless, short loops from parts of a clip. For more simple editing tutorials, subscribe to the channel.